You can't come inside the building. You have to have a purpose to.
I just told you my purpose.
No, you can't come in this way.
Do you know what that purpose is?
Well, you say you want to document the building, so.
And you know that's a First Amendment protected activity?
You don't have authorization to come up into a secure building because you're a citizen. We make
This not a public building?
it's a public building, but that doesn't mean.
What's
you
your
can't
name,
just
by the
walk
way?
in. My name is Aaron. Doesn't.
Yeah, I just let you know my reason.
That's not a reason enough.
What do you mean? It's a First Amendment
A
protected
First
activity.
Amendment right, but only to unrestricted areas. This is a restricted.
Okay, we got the Hillsborough County building. This is a courts building. See if they respect the rights of the people.
How you doing today, buddy?
I'm doing good. How about you?
Doing good. Can't complain, man. Hanging in there.
Yeah, man.
Doing article on Pat.
Actually, the entire building.
All right, buddy.
Yeah. So I guess you could say yeah.
Yeah, the office down there is closed. The one down that way,
Okay.
they closed down there.
Just seeing what they got. So, Kenny, 120, yeah. Microwave, community area. Clerk of courts. Restricted access. Oh, that's bathrooms.
You have the work order on you? Yeah, you could get them on the phone.
Hey, Harold, I want the security guard to point at me.
What department is it?
Facilities.
Facilities? I'm sorry, so you can't
Traffic.
go down that way. There's nobody down there.
What's down that way?
Court. Traffic court.
Okay, this hallway is what?
What was that?
What's wrong with the hallway?
The hallway?
Yeah.
Okay, just go up to that door and then you could come back, but don't go to the left because you have to go to metal detector and everything.
All right.
All right? Okay, so, I don't know if you
Well, I mean, I just gotta go to the second floor.
Okay.
Now, please. Okay, there you go. Thanks, sir. You have a good day. You too. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, upstairs, in order to go upstairs, you have to have a purpose to go upstairs.
Yeah.
Who you guys see upstairs?
I'm documenting the building.
No, you can't come inside the building. You have to have a purpose to.
I just told you my purpose.
No, you can't come in this way.
Do you know what that purpose is?
Well, you say you want to document the building, so
And you know that's a First Amendment protected activity?
in the building, the reason why I have this is for people that have a reason to go upstairs on this side here.
Yeah, I just let you know my reason.
That's
You,
not a reason enough.
what do you mean? It's a First Amendment
A
protected
First
activity.
Amendment right, but only to unrestricted areas. This is a restricted area.
And it says restricted?
Okay, this is a restricted area only that's the reason why this is here. For people that have appointments or purpose to be at the state attorney's office.
Yeah, but you're saying my purpose is invalid, but it's a valid purpose. It's official business.
Okay, then you could try to go. You can't come in, though. You're not coming in. Yeah, you could check. You could video everything here. You could go to the main courtroom, which is open to the public, but this is not open to the public.
You mind telling me your officer?
My name is Angel
Officer
Oyola.
Oyola?
Yes.
Do you have a number on your badge?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, I'm a badge.
All right, and you're denying me access to this part of the building?
That's correct, sir.
Okay.
Because this is the state attorney's office. You have to have a purpose.
I just told you my purpose several times.
I understand.
Okay, I hope you did. And what's the name of your security company?
Allied Universal.
Okay, Allied again. Do you have the number to your supervisor of Allied Security?
My supervisor's over at the next building, 700 building.
700 building, okay. But you don't have that number?
No, I don't have this number. No, sir.
Okay. And what's the name of the building he's at?
700, which is over here at the corner.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't have this number. I could give you the immediate supervisor who is over at the main court building, but the guy that's in charge of this account, all the government buildings, he's over there across the street at 700.
All right, I'll go talk to him.
You want to talk to Butler, who is just the immediate supervisor? No, he's not here.
Who would I be going? You say he's at the building over there.
Immediate
so-
supervisor right now, that's the supervisor over at the court building.
Mhm.
His name is White today. Mr. White is here today. So you can speak to Mr. White. Let me see if I have his phone number here. Contacts. Yeah, the other court building across the street is open to everybody it's open to all public. There's no restrictions over there. Where are you?
And there's no signs that say that area is restricted.
Like I said, it's only for people that have appointments, or people that have a purpose that has to do with a case with the state attorney's office. People that are coming in to drop charges, a witness, things like that.
And that's what was told to you during your training?
That's correct, sir.
Okay.
That's what we have to do here.
But somebody told you that from your training, you saying?
That's correct, sir.
Okay.
Let me see what I'll tell you here. Messages.
This is 419 Jefferson here, right?
Yes. This is 418 on Jefferson, 419 on Pierce. Okay, here we go. Let me see what's his phone number. The supervisor that's
So
on today.
this is the entrance to the state attorney as well?
This is the entrance to the state attorney's office.
Yeah,
This
so
is
it-
only for the state attorney's office. This doesn't have nothing to do with
Yeah,
anything
so
else.
what if I need to talk to the state attorney?
Well, I just asked you, what's your purpose? And you say that it's documentation.
Yeah,
And I told
document the
you have to
building.
have a purpose besides documenting.
What
Okay,
are
who
you
do
meeting with the state attorney for?
He said that he's one of the First Amendment auditors.
Well, he's assuming that. I'm just
he's-
I'm a citizen off the street who
Yes,
wants
but the thing
to
is,
see
I
the
told you,
building,
the only way you could come upstairs is if you have an appointment, you drop in charge.
or I have a purpose.
Okay, so what's the purpose?
I'm an independent journalist gathering content for a story. I told you I'm documenting already.
Have you contacted the state attorney's office?
So
to speak to her?
I'm the media director for the state attorney.
Okay.
I haven't heard from you, so if I would be happy to give you my information, you can email me and we can talk about whatever you need, but we don't have anything on file for you coming in today to gather any content.
What you mean? There's, as a citizen of this country, right?
I mean, you can just walk into a school and,
Why are you naming a school? We're not in the school.
Okay, no.
because that's a public building and this is a
Because
public.
like I explained to
But
you,
a school
this
is
a public
different.
building, but there's only certain areas are restricted. Like,
Yeah.
This is a restricted area.
And you need a purpose.
This is
Right,
all
and so
open
I'm telling
here.
you, since you're a member of the media, you said that
Yeah.
I'm the media director, so if you
Okay.
want to reach out to me via
Yes,
email,
ma'am.
I can get you set up with whatever you need.
They're closed.
Well, go ahead and say your
for
email.
holiday.
I can
They
give it to
open
you
up
right
again
now.
tomorrow.
Yeah,
at
go
8
ahead.
o'clock.
Okay, it's aaron.maloney@sao13th.com.
Okay.
Okay.
But that still
Yeah, this
doesn't satisfy
yeah, but
what
you
I'm
can't
here
go
to do.
upstairs, my man. I'm sorry.
Okay, can you finish getting the number that you?
Yes, here you go. The supervisor that is on shift today is, his name is Mr. White, and his phone number is 813-285-3376.
A lot of people are misinformed about the rights of citizens. You said Mr. White?
Yes, sir. You know, there's certain places in public buildings that are restricted.
I get that. It would be the areas that said restricted or authorized personnel only. Like I went down there and there was a sign on the window that said restricted area. Those are the areas I can't go in. But as far as public areas,
Yeah.
this is public. Just like when you try to stop me from going down the hallway.
Yeah, but I was finding where you needed to go. I
Yeah,
just want
but-
to make sure you can go to the.
Yeah,
traffic
but
wall.
first you said I couldn't go down this
Yeah,
hallway.
just make sure that you.
Yeah,
go to
but it's an
traffic
open.
wall.
But it's an open hallway.
Yes.
Just like if I go.
Anything
If
that's
I go.
open here, you could.
Yeah, so
you
upstairs
could
is
go.
open until you get into a restricted area or a office that
I
is
cannot-
locked up.
I've been told nobody comes through here unless they have an appointment. Okay, they have a purpose with the state attorney's office. Okay, and they have the documentation
and-
that they are here as a witness to a case. Okay, they have an appointment to see someone.
Yeah.
Or somebody that has the documentation because they want to drop the charges against someone.
Right, and Mr. White would be the one who told you that.
No, Mr. White's not the one that told me that because he was not my supervisor at the time.
Okay, can you name the supervisor who told you that?
He's no longer here with us.
Okay. All right.
Yes, buddy. How you doing, buddy?
I gotta go to the second floor.
All right. You got it? Anything in your pockets? Yes, I do.
This.